Going to tell you difference between mixture and compound. A mixture is formed when two or more substances are mixed together in any ratio. Like here you can see oxygen and hydrogen molecules are just mixed together and kept together. So this is a mixture. Now let us see what a compound is. A compound is formed when two or more elements combine together in fixed ratio by mass. A compound has entirely different properties than the properties of the constituents, whereas a mixture maintains the properties of its constituent. Let us see this through an activity. This is sulfur powder. These are iron fillings. Let us mix them together to make a mixture. In this mixture, we can see the yellowish color sulfur powder and grayish color iron fillings are mixed together in any ratio. There is no fixed ratio. Now let us check whether the constituents, that is sulfur and iron, have maintained their property or not. I am using a magnet and you can see that the iron particles are sticking to the magnet. This shows that iron is still in the form of iron and it has retained its properties. Let us also check whether sulfur has maintained its property or not. Again, I will be taking this mixture in a test tube, and as we know that sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide, let us see whether sulfur is soluble in it or not. I am adding carbon disulfide to it and you can see that the yellow color sulfur has already dissolved in CS2 and iron fillings are left. That means sulfur has retained its property and iron has also retained its property. Let us now make a compound by heating this mixture. We are mixing these two things together and I am heating it over the flame. After some time, we see that this kind of black mass is formed. This black mass, which is formed by heating iron and sulfur, is FeS, that is ferrous sulfide, which is the compound formed by both of them. Let us see that is it still retaining its property. We can see that even if I am rolling the magnet over it, iron particles are not sticking to it. Similarly, when I put some carbon disulfide to it, again it is not soluble because sulfur is not existing in its free state and the black mass is remaining as such. So we can say that a mixture retains the properties of its constituents, whereas when a compound is formed, the properties of the constituents are lost. Thank you.